Hello, in today's short video I will show you how to link up Payoneer to your Clickbank account. So you will log in into your Clickbank account, you will go to your accounts and you will click on your nickname on the blue link. It opens a new tab. When it opens a new tab, it's a little outdated site. You will go to your account settings. You click account settings. It opens a new tab. These are my personal information and that will be yours. In my case everything will be blurred. You will go to payment informations, and you will go to the right corner and click edit. When you click edit, you have your payment methods. You will click direct deposit, and when you click direct deposit you will have your direct deposit informations. So when you use Payoneer, when you have your bank on your Payoneer, for example we have United States, you will click the bank country, you will go to United States, for example, you will press the bank city which you have an account on a Payoneer, like Washington or some Boston, some city from which your bank is. You will put the name of the bank, you will put the account number that you have in that bank and the recruiting code. And when everything is set, when everything is done, you will save the changes and you will need to confirm everything on your email address, and that's everything, and that is how you confirm your Payoneer account and link it to Clickbank. If you have some other questions from payments from Clickbank or something else, you can ask in the comments or see other videos on our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.